The ISO file type is a digital clone of a CD or DVD. You don't need to burn it to a disk anymore. Windows 10 and 11 can mount it instantly. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Watch this. If the standard fixes fail, I have a plan B, a proprietary technique that almost always works on stubborn ISO files. The ISO is functionally identical to other members of the disk image file group. It utilizes the disk image file format. The ISO file is an industry-standard disk image file that contains a complete sector-by-sector copy of the data structure and content of an optical disc, CD, DVD, or Blu-ray. Its purpose is virtualizing a physical disk for archival or software distribution. Governed by the ISO 9060 standard, the format is designed for universal compatibility. Its structure is simple, a direct binary copy of the disk's file system. The file needs to be mounted as a virtual drive or extracted by archive software like 7-zip to access the files within. Disk Soft Limited define daemon tools. Light is the application primarily intended for ISO. The file's embedded tracks and streams require a specialized reader for full playback. Windows may show basic properties, but mounting or restoring the image requires compatible disk tools. We'll conduct a full system compatibility scan now. Right-click your ISO file and select Open With. Test daemon tools. Light if it appears. If it fails, select another application. This is a process of elimination. If your ISO file is not opening yet, that is normal. We're going to solve this with a universal tool, but first, what are the technical factors causing this ISO error to appear? First, mount the image. On Windows 10-11, right-click the ISO file and select Mount to create a virtual drive that allows you to access the contents. Next, use dedicated software. If the mount option is missing, use third-party software like WinRAR 7-zip or daemon tools to extract the contents or mount the image. Finally, fix missing mount option. If the mount option is missing, go to Settings, Apps, Default Apps. Select Windows Disk Image Burner and choose File Explorer as the default app for ISO files. If the ISO file resists all of your installed software, that confirms its complexity. The next step is a simple professional fix worth trying for difficult ISO files. The search is over. FileMagick is the specialized universal viewer you need. It handles any ISO format. Available at filemagick.com. That was the most time-saving solution. Subscribe now to ensure you get the notification for the next file solution I upload.